Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Maximilian, for the introduction. Yeah, I want to give a brief overview about Circular Valley, and especially in particular about the Circular Economy Accelerator. Circular Valley, this is not only a name for a foundation that's the greater Rhine-Ruhr region in North Rhine-Westphalia, the state of North Rhine-Westphalia. To establish circular economy, we founded the Circular Valley Foundation. The foundation stands on three main pillars. First is policy recommendations, because we need level playing field, rules, regulations, and so on. The second pillar is the public relations, because 95% of the people don't even have a clue about what circular economy means. And the third pillar, what I'm talking about, the next slide, is our Circular Economy Accelerator. What do we do? The accelerator offers an on-site program, a 3 weeks on-site program in our accelerator, which is located in Wuppertal, in the heart of the Circular Valley. We invite 2 batches per year, batches of international startups which are dealing with solutions and business models around circular economy. And therefore, we offer a dense program of coaching, mentoring, hot chair sessions, company visits, and of course, a demo day at the end. And what's more, we connect all the startups with our huge network of 150 partners, and the network is growing. Many companies and scientific organizations, universities, and other institutions like TraWeBa, for example. That means we connect them with the reality. So we support these young entrepreneurs, and after ending the active program on site, they are part of our alumni network. So we stay in touch with them furthermore. When I just told you about our network, which is growing, this slide shows you the network of our company partners. You see founders, sponsors, donors, and supporters. And we have a broad network across industry, as you can see, also supported by the state of North Rhine-Westphalia of 3 ministries, and with companies just all over Germany and international companies. And we have a broad network of cooperation partners like TraWeBa, as already was mentioned by Maximilian. So we need all hands and all brains to establish circular economy. And if you're interested in getting in touch with us, just call me. What are we looking for? We are looking for startups which deal with business models, solutions around circular economy. And we focus on these 9 giga topics, which we are looking for scalable solutions. This slide shows you that it is really an international accelerator, because we have startups in our alumni network from all over the world, from all continents, and already 150 startups have been here in this program, and the next batch will start in February. We're just calling for applications. So thank you for listening, and I'm open for your questions.
Thank you very much, and perfectly on time. So yeah, if there are questions, unmute yourself, raise your hand, unmute yourself, and just ask your question. In the meanwhile, since you're one of the experts, I think, of the problems the startups are facing right now, what would you say? What are the main obstacles a startup in the region of like circularity is facing at the moment? Is it money? Is it only money?
I think the topic of circularity is just in the background right now, because everybody's discussing about the problems we have with critical raw materials in China, for example, or the discussions about America and Trump's tariff politics on the one hand. On the other hand, especially the German economy has some problems and faces challenges. So the topic of circularity is now just let's say, in the background, but I'm very convinced that it will be on the top in 1 or 2 years again. But this is a problem just for connecting startups to companies which are not dealing with circular topics. Yeah, this I think is the main obstacle. Also, we know the problem of investors in Germany, but I think the main problem is that companies are very hesitating to establish circular models.
All right. Are you helping to get in contact with the investors to find some way of?
Yeah, in our network we have investors, we have banks like the NRW Bank, for example, but also family offices. So we connect them to investors, we connect them to companies who are in need of solutions, we connect them to science and to universities, to connect them to sharp their business models and their ideas. So this is very helpful, I think, because of the feedback the startup are giving us. And I think this ecosystem is very helpful to establish circular economy in the hotspot of the Rhine-Ruhr region.
Right. Yeah,
and also we have cooperations with Flanders and the Netherlands to widen the region and to just have more power in the heart of Europe.
All right. Since there are no questions from the audience and we still have a little bit of time, I want to ask you one more thing to make this clear. So you're not only looking to startups located right next to you. So as a startup from kind of anywhere, I can apply for this program since it's like really compact for the 3 weeks. And maybe you could shortly say what is the who should I, if I'm a startup now, I'm interested in this, like who should I get in contact with and what is the progress like really quickly?
Sorry, just look on our website, there's the application form. And there are the key topics listed because we are looking for startups which deal with solutions around the topics we are looking for, and apply. And we will have a little interview and check what the idea is. And usually we get a couple of hundred applications and we select 15 with a jury out of this couple of hundred applications. So just if there's a startup which is interested, just look on the website or just contact me and I will connect you with our team.